He says, Eric, let me see.
Did the elephant come
Oh, good job.
Duncan, you made the elephant come. You made the elephant come.
Yeah, at night when you're trying to sleep, Tammy, this is what you're going to hear.
Yeah.